Hey Queens, to say thank you for being part of this very special community and for all of the love, support, and contribution you make to creating a safe space. I want to say thank you by giving 3 of you, this is a giveaway just here for you ladies. I am going to promote it on Instagram, but it's for you. I am going to give 3 ladies an invitation to join the upcoming Vision Board workshop on December 29th as my guest, along with a 1-hour coaching session with me in January. So once you attend the Vision Board workshop, you might have questions, specific things you want to go over with me, some guidance. We'll do that in January. All the entry details are below, and I pray God blows your mind in 2025 with crazy favor, covers you and your family, your businesses, and just thank you again for showing up for you. Thank you for investing in yourselves. I love y'all.